The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein and very low carbohydrate diet. The whole point of going keto is to reach ketosis, a metabolic process that happens when your body uses fat instead of carbs for energy. To get there, you have to do the obvious, which is to eat a whole lot of fat and little to no carbs. This video is your ultimate guide to everything you can eat when you go keto. We make videos on topics such as keto, weight loss and nutrition, so if you want to learn more about how you can be healthier and fitter, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you are looking for a personalized custom keto diet plan, with the option to swap your meals in case you don't like them, then click the link in the description below. A ketogenic diet typically limits carbs to 20 to 50 grams per day. While this may seem challenging, many nutritious foods can easily fit into this way of eating. Here are some healthy foods to eat on a ketogenic diet. Number 1. Fish and seafood. Fish and shellfish are very keto-friendly foods. Salmon and other fish are rich in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium, yet virtually carb-free. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, tuna, and other fatty fish boast high levels of omega-3 fats, which have been found to lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. Frequent fish intake has also been linked to a decreased risk of chronic disease as well as improved mental health. You should aim to consume at least 2 3-ounce servings of fatty fish weekly. Number 2. Low-carb vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and carbs, but high in many nutrients, including vitamin C and several minerals. Vegetables and other plants contain fiber, which your body doesn't digest and absorb like other carbs. They also contain antioxidants that help protect against cell-damaging free radicals. Broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, bell peppers, zucchini and spinach are perfect examples of keto-friendly vegetables that you can include in your eating plan. Number 3. Cheese. There are hundreds of types of cheese. Fortunately, most are very low in carbs and high in fat, which makes them a great fit for a ketogenic diet. Moreover, eating cheese regularly may help reduce the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with aging. Blue cheese, brie, cottage cheese, cream cheese, feta, goat cheese, and halloumi are some cheeses that are lower in carbs and suitable for keto diet. Number 4. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and several vitamins and minerals, including potassium, an important mineral many people may not get enough of. Half of a medium avocado contains 9 grams of total carbohydrates, 7 grams of which are fiber. Swapping animal fats for plant fats like avocados can help improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Number 5. Meat and poultry. Meat is a source of lean protein and is considered a staple on the ketogenic diet. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbohydrates and are rich in B vitamins and several minerals, including potassium, selenium and zinc. While processed meats, like bacon and sausage, are allowed on keto, they aren't the best for your heart and may raise your risk of certain types of cancer if you eat too much. Choose chicken, fish and beef more often and limit processed meats on keto. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein, B vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. 2 eggs contain 0 carbohydrates and 12 grams of protein. Eggs have been shown to trigger hormones that increase feelings of fullness and keep blood sugar levels stable, and they also contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect eye health. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are healthy, high-fat, and low-carb foods. Frequent nut consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, depression, and other chronic diseases. Furthermore, nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full, and absorb fewer calories overall. Almonds, Brazil nuts, cashews, macadamia nuts, pecans, and walnuts are a few low-carb nuts that you can have on a keto diet. Chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds are perfect low-carb, heart-healthy seeds that can help in healthy aging. Number 8. Coconut and olive oil. Olive oil and coconut oil are the two oils recommended on the keto diet. Olive oil is high in oleic acid and is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Coconut oil is high in saturated fat but contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can increase ketone production. MCTs may increase metabolic rate and promote the loss of weight and belly fat too. Make sure that you measure portion sizes when consuming any type of healthy fat. Number 9. Berries. Most fruits are too high in carbs to include on a ketogenic diet, but berries are an exception. Berries are low in carbs and high in fiber. In fact, raspberries and blackberries contain as much fiber as digestible carbs. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are okay to have on a keto diet. Number 10. Plain Greek yogurt. Yogurt is calcium-rich and high in protein. 5 ounces of plain Greek yogurt provides just 5 grams of carbohydrates and 12 grams of protein. Studies have shown that both calcium and protein can reduce appetite and promote fullness. Higher fat yogurts can help keep you full for longer, and full-fat products are an essential part of the ketogenic diet. Number 11. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Plain coffee and tea contain 0 grams of carbohydrates, fat or protein, so they are okay on the keto diet. Studies show coffee lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Tea is rich in antioxidants and has less caffeine than coffee. Drinking tea may reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, help with weight loss, and boost your immune system. Number 12. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Dark chocolate and cocoa are delicious sources of antioxidants. In fact, cocoa provides at least as much antioxidant activity as any other fruit, including blueberries and acai berries. Somewhat surprisingly, chocolate can be part of a ketogenic diet. However, it's important to choose dark chocolate that contains a minimum of 70% cocoa solids, preferably more, and eat in moderation. A keto diet can include a wide variety of nutritious, tasty, and versatile foods that allow you to remain within your daily carb range. To reap all the health benefits of a ketogenic diet, consume keto-friendly foods on a regular basis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, then comment, like and subscribe as we regularly upload videos on keto and weight loss.